Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I wanted to just show you a few new arrivals that I just got in recently. I'm pretty excited about some of these bags because some of them are sort of rare or somewhat rare, and they're the first ones that I found in that specific style. So I'll go ahead and start with the first bag, which is this red shopper bag. This one I wouldn't say is like particularly rare, but I'll get to some of the more rare bags here in a minute. But just to start out, I've got this nice red, it's called a classic shopper. It's a shoulder bag. So I've got this one. This one's from 2001. It was made in the US. So that one's just kind of a standard basic shoulder bag, but this one's a little more exciting. This is a school bag, and I believe this one's from the 80s, and it was made in the original New York City factory. And this one I was really excited to find. I think it's a really cute style, and it was the first school bag that I've ever come across. So I believe the color is called putty, most likely is what I'm thinking. It's this nice kind of taupe color. And then this one also came with, I'll show you real fast, it came with some of the original paperwork. So it came with this registration card that was obviously never used, and then it also came with this little pouch that has some of the original like pamphlets and sales papers that it came with. Not the receipt or anything like that, but just some of the advertising paperwork. So it's kind of cool to find those types of things in bags. I usually find them in the older bags that don't look like they're worn very often. So that's pretty cool to find that. And then next we've got this Willis City Bag. So this was also kind of fun to find because I had never found one before in this style. I found, I think I've now found all the Willis bags. I have a couple Winnie bags too right now, and I had a Willis bag, but it sold a while ago. But anyway, this is the Willis City Bag, so it's a little shorter than the standard Willis. But I kind of like it because you can still fit quite a bit inside, but it's not going to be as like big or heavy, which is nice. It's got this slip pocket in the back. Sorry, there's some police driving by or ambulances or something. Sorry about that. But anyway, it's got a strap that I always store them inside the bags. But anyway, the strap is pretty sturdy, or pretty, like the leather is still pretty firm, so I don't think this bag was barely used or hardly used. So that's pretty cool. So here is an Early Dinky Bag. This bag was also made in the original New York City factory, and I can tell this one is an earlier style because it's got this double strap here that detaches. The more later Dinky bags had a strap that was sewn on to the bag right on the sides, but this one has this little eyelet hole, I think it's just called an eyelet, that the strap attaches to. So that's kind of cool. This one's still in really good shape considering its age. I think I would estimate it's probably from the 70s or 80s. So that's pretty cool. It's a nice little miniature bag. And then I have another miniature bag here, also from the New York City factory. So this is called a mini pouch. I guess it would probably just fit some essentials. It'd be a nice lightweight bag. You could probably fit a wallet and maybe a phone in there if you don't have too much other stuff. But this one's really cute. It does have a little more wear on it. Some more patina and a little bit of like faint staining on the front, but nothing too severe. It's just got the straps attached right here. So this one's pretty cute. This one I think is from the 80s as well. And then got a little bit of a younger vintage bag, and actually this one just sold today. It wasn't on the market very long and it already sold, probably because it looks like it was hardly ever used. But this is a Prairie Bag. I've actually sold several Prairie Bags, so I think they're a pretty popular style, and I have one more still in stock in the Etsy shop that's brown. So this one's really nice. As you can see, the leather still has a lot of sheen to it, and there's like just barely any signs of visible wear, which is really nice. So yeah, this one is actually from 1995. It's nice. It's also got it's got like a large pocket here in the front and then the body of the purse. So as you can see, it's not a huge bag, but it's got a lot of storage space, which is really nice. So I wasn't too surprised to see this one get sold quickly. And then I saved kind of like the most exciting two bags for last. The very most exciting one will be the very last, but this one was an exciting find for me just because it looks like it was almost never used. Probably just stored away, maybe used like once. But this is a pocket purse and it comes with a crossbody strap inside. So this one actually, most pocket purses come with a different style of strap, but this one was made in 2001, it looks like in my notes, yeah, and this one was made in Costa Rica, so this is the only bag here in the new arrivals that wasn't made in the US, but it's got these little cute, these are called dog leash clasps. They're the smaller size that you'll sometimes see on the smaller bags, but I can kind of gauge that this bag was probably almost never used because the strap still is pretty, the leather is pretty stiff, and so is the leather in the bag. But yeah, this was the first pocket purse that I had found that has this style of strap, which was kind of cool. Usually they'll have a larger clasp called a lobster claw clasp. I don't think I have any. Oh, I do have one I can show you for the Willis City Bag has the lobster claws. So usually they would have a clasp like this for the pocket purse, but this one I guess it doesn't. It's a later model from 2001, so maybe that's why. But anyway, it's pretty nice bag. The color, this is like cream or white beige color, is called Bone. So that's what it looks like. It's got a nice pocket on the back, and then so that's the front again. And then the most exciting bag, this is probably the most exciting bag that I've probably ever come across. So I got this, this is a Winnie bag, and the reason why it's so exciting is probably most people watching this know the Winnie bag is like one of the most highly sought after bags. And it was only made, I guess, 1 year in production, which was 1997. And I think they were only made in the US in this one particular factory, or at least that's all I've seen when I've come across Winnie bags, according to the creed. So this one is in Bone, which I think is a pretty rare color for Winnie bags. And this is also like pretty rare because it looks like it was probably never used. So it's a rare bag in a pretty rare condition to have not likely been used, just judging by the overall condition of the bag and also like the stiffness of the leather. So this is the strap that comes with it, similar to the bag that I just showed you with the same small dog leash clasps, but this one's adjustable, so you can wear it obviously as a crossbody bag with the straps that connect to the sides, connect right there on the sides, or you could just carry it as a top handle bag. I actually have a black Winnie bag that's my personal like everyday bag, and I really like it, but I personally like smaller bags because they're not heavy to carry. So this style may not work for everybody because it is somewhat small, but I really like it for that reason. So anyway, these are all the new arrivals that I have in the shop. Most of them I'll be getting up, well, I guess they'll all be posted by the time that I post this video, so I'll go ahead and link them all below if there's any particular bag that you want to check out. But yeah, anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.